Hello, Vika, right? A long overdue welcome to the class. This will be some video feedback for you on your Milestone 1, our midterm feedback. Vika, this is exemplary. Now, I'll look at, let's see, here's what you posted. It's a little different. I guess you added some of these ovals. Anyway, this is back to the, let me just look at your file structure here. You've got everything on layers, it looks like. It's not prompting me for any linked images, so you have embedded your images, which is great. You know, it's really essential, but it's not easy because the interface in Illustrator has changed. And you have to deselect, I think, link, which is selected by default, and it's small type, sort of down towards the lower left of the dialog box in Illustrator. Anyway, good job in adding dummy copy here, or hypothetical copy. Think of ways to make this a clean bar to type in it. Perhaps maybe also bleed the box down towards the bottom, rather than have oops, it's behaving very slowly. Rather than having a band, wherever possible, I would say bleed. It simplifies the composition. I like this faded out band. Potentially, the type will be contrasted against it. And I've done the same thing at the top. I mean, I think you get the idea. We have to change this too, I think. Wherever possible, simplify. You have a variety of alignments here. You've got the logo, which is kind of flush left, rag right. Ooh, I like your silhouette of the tortoise. How nice. I'd capitalize on that. Perhaps make it just a bit larger. I like it sailing there, flying in the sky. It's unexpected. You also, it looks like you have the opacity turned down. By all means, if resolution can handle it, make it larger. I distorted it, I think. Anyway, it's charming. It's whimsical. It's kind of surreal. I like your ingredients now, and it's structured well. You should have no problem animating it. Okay, it looks like you're using Arial, the corporate typeface, and the color solids that you have chosen come from the corporate palette. Good job. So I'm assuming that you've added some copy here too. I would err on the side of simplicity. So although it's good to have an odd number, perhaps you could also maybe move these over so these halo ovals can extend into this. So there's not quite such a strong division. But it does look layered. It's rich. I think it's, as you say, you're favoring the side of luxury and adults only. That's pretty clear too. I guess simplify. Pick an axis on which to align things. Think about the rule of thirds. It's a grid that's used in photography, but you can use it to give a simple grid structure to any two-dimensional composition, and the ad is a good example of that. Okay, I'll probably end it here. I'm sure I haven't covered everything, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Nice to meet you, Vika.